guys, Stephanie here again today. Today we're in beautiful Maui. We're on the east side of the island. We took the road to Hana to do this beautiful, beautiful hike today. My Aunt Kate here, she's gonna explain the hike that we're actually doing because I believe you've done it before?
Yes.
All right, what is it?
All right, we are in Haleakala National Park. We are taking the Pipiwai Trail to Waimoku Falls. It's a 400-foot waterfall and it's about a 4-mile round trip hike.
All right, and we're gonna see the 7 sacred pools as well.
Yeah, that's not part of this trail. That's another section of the park.
Oh,
it's
sneak peek. I'm sure you guys will get a video of that coming soon as well then.
Yeah.
Well, I'm really excited. It's gonna be a really beautiful hike, beautiful falls. Come along with us, all right?
All right.
This is the first falls. You can't quite see it on camera, but it's down there. And you can tell that when it rains even more that it comes kind of from a lot more spots. But overall, super gorgeous, even though the falls is just like right over here right now. Climbed the banyan tree. What's up, guys? So you're not allowed to go down here because it's extremely dangerous. You can get swept away in a flash flood at any moment. People have died here, so do not come down here. This is as close as I'm gonna get. You can see how beautiful it is. There's beautiful little pools of water and gorgeous rocks. But again, don't go down there because it is very dangerous. This is the bridge to the bamboo forest, guys. You excited?
I'm very excited.
Bamboo forest up ahead.
Very excited.
And waterfall. Worth it. Wow, beautiful. Waterfall, guys. Alright guys, that was the hike. I think you can see the waterfall just up there right behind me. Really beautiful. It took us about an hour and a half, which you could do this a lot faster. We were taking lots of breaks, stopping for lots of photos. There's so many great picture spots here. Definitely make sure you bring lots of water and sunscreen and some bug spray because it gets kind of buggy. But overall, I thought it was a really beautiful, worthwhile hike to do. Let's see, Serenity.
Hi guys.
What did you think?
I think that this hike was definitely family friendly. I do agree with the bug spray because my legs are ate up. And definitely bring some water. But besides that, it was super easy. We took it really leisurely and slow and definitely recommend.
All right.
Hi guys. I thought this hike was really good. I did not think I would make it to the top, and I did. So I think that if you don't think that you could do it, you could do it.
I wholeheartedly agree. Anyways, guys, that was the Pipiwai Trail that leads to this beautiful waterfall in Maui. Don't forget to check it out if you're here. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us out, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye. Bye.